I bet you're already part of our complete line journey every Tuesday on our YouTube channel. Today, Sasha has the day off, and that's why I'm going to present you the latest news and trend topics of complete line here in Nuremberg at the SPS 2019. Cabinet builders are facing various challenges in order to stay competitive on a rapidly changing market. A looming skills shortage, rising global competition, extended functional variety and digitalization, for example. My colleagues know how complete line is facing these challenges.
A complete line is a complete systems approach that considers all processes holistically, with a complete set of digital data for all of our products and a perfectly matching product portfolio and services and solutions. For manufacturing, complete line considers all aspects of the control cabinet manufacturing.
With Complete Line, we are going to shape the future of control cabinet building in a close partnership together with our customers. Our solutions support the process from engineering to production according to the customer's individual requirements. We are your reliable partner for control cabinet building. Let us shape the future together.
If you want to build the future of control cabinets together with Phoenix Contact, come and visit our complete line experts here in Hall 9.